Unlock the secret to a show-stopping, juicy, and flavorful turkey this year, all thanks to your oven. First, let's talk prep. If your turkey is frozen, allow at least 24 hours per 5 pounds to thaw completely in the refrigerator. Once thawed, remove the giblets and neck from the body and neck cavities. These can be used for gravy. Pat the entire turkey completely dry with paper towels, inside and out. This is crucial for crispy skin. Now for the flavor explosion, gently lift the skin over the breast and thighs, and spread softened butter or oil underneath. Season generously inside and out with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary, thyme, or sage. You can also stuff the cavity with aromatics like quartered onions, carrots, celery, and lemon for extra moisture and taste. Position your turkey breast side up on a roasting rack in a sturdy roasting pan. This allows air to circulate for even cooking. If the wings or legs are sticking out awkwardly, you can tie them together with kitchen twine for a neater presentation. Preheat your oven to a steady 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. This moderate temperature is key for cooking the turkey through without drying out the breast meat. The golden rule for doneness is temperature. Aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius in the thickest part of the thigh, making sure to avoid the bone. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. To ensure a golden brown and crispy skin without overcooking the breast, you can loosely tent the turkey with aluminum foil for the first couple of hours. Remove the foil during the last 3,045 minutes of cooking to allow the skin to crisp up beautifully. Once it reaches the safe internal temperature, remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for at least 20-30 minutes before carving. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a far more succulent bird. And there you have it, €1, a perfectly roasted turkey ready to be carved and enjoyed.